Okay, if you want to follow along with the practice quiz. 6162, we'll be taking this on Thursday, so you'll be taking the ACT tomorrow. Okay? And then Thursday we'll do this, and of course, no school on Friday, all right? All right, so question one, put it in standard form. So put this in standard form, we want to look and see the highest degree monomial, and that would be this negative 2x to the fifth. Now we have x to the fourth plus x to the fourth. We have plus 4x to the third. We have 3x squared. We have plus 2x. And we have minus 3. So that's how you go about that. So what is the degree? So the degree of this is 5. The lead coefficient would be negative 2. And the number of terms, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 terms. Number of terms is 6. Everybody okay with that first one? That's pretty easy. You should be able to make some hay on that one. Second one's the same way. Standard form. We're gonna have the 6x to the fourth minus 3x squared plus 8x plus 5. So the degree here is 4. Lead coefficient is 6. And number of terms is 4. Folks, those are pretty easy. Make sure you know. I don't think there's anything difficult there. Those are easy points. Does everybody feel okay? Okay. Now, the rest of the day, the rest of this quiz is multiply numbers and add exponents. And then simplify. Okay? So, multiply numbers. Okay? FOIL. X times x squared would be x cubed. That's going to be plus 3x. Okay? So that takes care of the blue. We'll go red with the second, plus 2. So that's going to be plus 2x squared. And that's going to be plus 6. Now, we want to put that in standard form and simplify and put anything together that we can. Well, there's nothing that's going to go together here, but we can put it in standard form. X cubed plus 2x squared plus 3x plus 6 would be your standard form of that equation. How are we doing there? All these are the same. Okay, just some of them are a little bigger than others. Make sense all? Okay. Move on to the next one. My x squared times x would give me x cubed. My x squared times negative 3 would be minus 3x squared. 2x times x would give me plus 2x squared. 2x times negative 3 would give me minus 6x. Now, standard form and combine like things. Well, guess what? We have some like things here. Boom, boom. Standard form, I'm going to go with the x cubed first. I have minus 3x squared plus 2 is just going to give me one of them, minus x squared. So minus 3 plus 2 gives me a minus one of them. And then we still have minus 6x. Everybody okay there? Questions at all? Doing okay? You want to go out and practice, or you feel good about it?
Yeah, I feel good. I just-
Okay. Now we have a binomial times a trinomial. So here we go. Now that was fun. So x times 4x squared will give me 4x cubed. X times x will be plus x squared, and x times negative will be minus 3x. Negative 3, we're going to take that negative along. That's going to give me negative 12x squared. That's going to give me negative 3x, and then I'm going to end up with positive 9. So those are your 6 terms coming out of taking the binomial times the trinomial. Put it in standard form and combine like things. We're going to have 4x to the third, that's our only third. Well, here we have an x squared and an x squared. This is a positive 1, and negative 12 gives me a negative 11 of those. We have minus 3, so that's going to give me minus 6 of those. And then plus 9.
I was looking at this, I was like,
He told you
you should have. He's too nice.
that? Yeah. All right. This one's the biggest one. It's a try times a try. So we're going to have 9 things here. X squared times 2x squared would give me 2x to the 4th. X squared times negative 2, give me minus 2x cubed. X squared times positive 5 will be plus 5x squared. Multiply numbers and add the exponents. We'll do a second color here. Positive 2. 2x times 2x squared will be plus 4x cubed. 2x times negative 2 will be negative 4x squared. 2x times 5 would be plus 10x. Negative 3 times 6, 2, I'm sorry, negative 3 times 2 give me negative 6x squared. Negative 3 times negative 2 would be positive 6x, and then negative 3 times 5 would be negative 15. So it's a trinomial times a try. You're going to get 9 terms there. Take your time. Don't rush. Be methodical as you multiply each one of those times each one of the others. Make sure you multiply your numbers, add the exponents. Watch your signs. If they're negative and positive, make sure you get that right. Okay, now we're ready to put it in standard form and combine like things. So be careful here. Looks like we have a 2x to the 4th. Is that the only 4th? Yes. Here's a 3, and here's a 3. We got minus 2 plus 4 gives me plus 2x cubed. Okay? Here's a square, and here's a square. So minus 4 minus 6 gives me minus 10, but plus 5 would give me minus 5x squared. Here's a 10, and there's a 6, both positives, plus 16x, and that's the only constant, which would be 15. Got them all written down? How do you feel about that? I think this is a pretty straight up easy quiz, so hopefully you'll be good. Any questions? That's it for today. Find something. I would like you to maybe pull up the ACT question of the day.